Hi, I'm Steve Leach from South Yorkshire Police. I'm part of the cyber response that we've got in South Yorkshire. I've been on sort of the cyber side of policing for the last couple of years, and my view is this is one of the most sort of practical, level-headed, non-technical presentations. For me, I think they get the pitch right. They're talking to people who are non-technical, and they put it across in a language that is easy to understand and relevant and practical. However, they clearly are technical in their design and ability, and when you look at some of the sort of depth that we dove into in some of the examples, I think it's credit to the knowledge and understanding that they have, that they're able to put it across in such a simple and convenient way. I think the learning point from this is it's something that we can all embrace. It's not a difficult subject when you get people who are teaching you who clearly know it and can translate it to a language and a level that's appropriate to the listener. I think from our perspective this will help us, one, respond better to internal cyber threats, and we will also be able to advise business and the public as to their response to it. This is something that we all need to embrace. Cyber will happen to all of us, and we need to be in a position where we can respond effectively, look at developing business as normal while dealing with these incidents. Recommend this to a variety of courses. I don't think there's anybody who wouldn't benefit from attending something like this. If you need the technical element to it, it's there. If you just want some practical explanation of it, it's there. Thank you.